Hey folks, as I mentioned in the last video, the one thing I don't really love about the exterior of the car is the silver aero wheel covers that come with the Gemini wheels. They just don't match the matte black and matte white theme that's going on with the car. I'm gonna try and plasti dip the wheel covers in a satin black and see how that looks. For $30, it just seems like it's worth a shot. And worst case scenario, if it doesn't work, you can always peel off the plasti dip, apparently. And underneath, the wheels are actually pretty nice, and I could see them maybe getting powder coated in a satin black. It might look really good. With the plasti dip, I guess you need to do a bunch of coats, just real thin coat each time. So I'm gonna get the wheels popped off, I'm gonna get them cleaned up, and lay them out and see if we can get them looking satin black. I do want to say real quick a thank you to everyone who's been subscribing and liking the videos and commenting. That's so great. It feels great. This is obviously very new to me, and seeing all these comments and people subscribing just encourages me to make more. So big thank you. So I was a little bit nervous to pop those covers off. I wasn't really sure exactly how to do it, but if you just grab them with two hands at each section, they actually pop off real easy. Here's a better view of what the rims underneath the covers look like. I actually kind of like them. I do think they'd look really good if they were black, but they're not bad at all. You can get center caps to go in the middle from Tesla. Obviously it needs it. It doesn't look complete without it when you pop the aero covers off. I'm pretty sure you can get them from Tesla. If not, I know you can get them from a third party as well. So I got the aero covers cleaned up, dried off, and we're ready to put on the first coat. I just used a microfiber to wash them and to dry them. Hope it works. We'll see. So I've got, I don't even know how many coats now I put on, at least 6, but I did it really light because that's what they say you're supposed to do. I think I might have been going too light in the beginning. So now I've got them pretty well coated, and I think what I'll do is maybe do one more coat tonight, and then I'll see how it looks in the morning and maybe do one more after that. Okay, updates. It is the next day. I did go ahead and add I'd say 3 or 4 more coats. I think I'm putting it on really lightly, but they do look really, really good. I will say initially does have a bit of a textured look almost to it, but overall, either way, I think they look a lot better than they did silver. I'm gonna wait till tomorrow and then we'll install them and see how it looks. So it's been about 2-3 hours and I came out to check on the rims and they were pretty dry. They felt pretty good. I'm not going to be driving the car at all anymore today, so I thought I would just snap them on and see how they look. I think they look better is the word I'll use. I think they look good for sure. The silver ring around, I knew that would be left as silver. There's nothing you can really do about that unless you want to paint the rims. I have seen a fix where people use electrical tape to cover that part, and just I couldn't bring myself to put electrical tape on my Tesla, but I draw the line at spray paint. I think it looks a lot better. Is it a permanent fix? No, not for me. I think that silver ring, I'd rather it be black. So I think the long-term plan is to pop the covers off, have the underlying wheels powder coated black, and I think it'll look great. Overall, I would say it is pretty easy. It does take a lot of patience, as the coats do need to go on really thin, and it's a lot of multiple coats. The way the covers are shaped, they actually have an area where it's really hard to get the plasti dip down into. So you just need to take your time and really make sure you're getting good coverage. I did end up going out and getting a 3rd can. So the total cost, I guess, now is about $51, which is still really cheap. I'll put a link for the product I use in the description below in case you want to give this a try with your car. And I really appreciate you taking the time to watch, and we'll see you in the next one.